Product pumps are placed outside the tank pit with two lines, one for product transfer and the other for circulation or mechanical mixers. Each pump has an electrical motor, frequency drive and API seal plan. When the product contains sediments or sludge, the tank is fitted with side entry mixers to keep the sludge in suspension. Our own designed and patented pump system is a sealess hydraulic-driven submerged pump with a hydraulic power pack, which is placed outside the tank pit, hence outside the ATEX zone. The pump is placed next to the tank with a short circulation line and tank mixing system. After filling the tank, this powerful mixing system will create a homogeneous content in no time, so sludge will stay in suspension. Our pump can be used for mixing, product transfer and stripping. The power pack can be used for multiple pumps without frequency drives. The advantages are less piping and electrical motors, no API seal plan, no frequency drives, and lower installed power supply. For more information, please contact us or go to www.tankrevolution.com.